Tell you what, let's have some fun. Let's do a rollover image, sometimes called a JavaScript rollover, but don't worry too much about that JavaScript thing because Dreamweaver will write all the code for us. Start by opening up a file that I've made in the Pages folder. Click the triangle to open it, and double-click and open up a rollover HTML. I did this to save us a little bit of time. Click to the right of the word Wayward Prairie Dog and press the Enter key. We need an insertion point for our image, actually images, there's two of them. Come up here to the Common tab. Here's just another way to get something. You'll notice this button right here. If we click it, there's Image. There's also Image Placeholder. There's Rollover. Select Rollover Image. The image name is used on a call for a script. If you're coding, if you're not doing the coding, forget that's there. You don't have to change it. What we need is our images, the original and the one that it will change to when it rolls over. Original image, browse. We're going to choose, I've got two of these. Let's go rollover A and select choose. And for the rollover image, the one it shows when you roll over, click browse, and we'll go rollover B. Click choose. All right, for the alternate text, Andy Anderson's rollover image. We're not going to make this a link. We'll talk about links in the next chapter, so we won't worry about that one right now. Click OK. There it is, so far. What do we do next? Well, we test it out. We can test it without ever going to a browser. You have the Live View button right here. Select it. Now watch what happens when I roll over it. Ah, I've found the Wayward Prairie Dog. I've used this for a lot of things. I've used it to take a grayscale image, and when you roll over it, it goes to full color. Its primary purpose is buttons. You see it all the time on rolled over buttons where you click to go to a home page or a contact page or an About Me page. And when you roll over the button, it changes, and that gives you a visual indication that, hey, I'm over the button. I can click it now. This is just a fun way to show you what we're doing. But it's all about JavaScript, and the cool thing about that is it is creating the code for us. We don't have to do it. We could save this. And we could check this out actually in a browser too if you want to. And it will basically do the same thing. So there's a rollover. Now we will be using these to make buttons, of course, but sometimes it's not bad to have a little bit of fun too.